How to calculate the monthly performance of a solar plant? Now you can see you can divide your solar plant into monthly and calculate based on the number of days. Now my plant has completed 797 days, and you can see the system kilowatt of 6.54, monthly production, monthly consumption, monthly electricity imported, and the monthly electricity imported. Now all these values are very important calculating the payback period, etc., and what is the amount of solar energy consumed. Around 77% of the total solar energy is consumed, and you can see the monthly consumption has increased a lot. It has reached about 1098 kilowatt hour. That is more than 1 megawatt, 1.1 megawatt per month. Whereas when I put the plant, it was just around 406 kilowatt. Now it is 1.1 megawatt. That's about 8 times, I think, an increase over the course of 2 years itself. So the payback period also will be less if we calculate it. Now, if we calculate the daily production ratio, the maximum has been 4.5 kilowatt hour per day, and the minimum has 2.5, and the average of 3.6 kilowatt hour per kilowatt per day. So these are the values. So the production, consumption, export, and import gives you a typical idea of how much really energy you are producing and how much you're using in your particular house, and how much will you export. Is there anything of net export that you may benefit from it or not? So that's what you are going to use in this particular analysis, and that's what you should do for that particular reason. When you have the number of days, it gives you an idea of what is the production per day. Production per day, that is kilowatt hour per kilowatt peak per day. And then you can also calculate the net export, that is export minus import. That is the net export. But if you have seen here, over the course of last say 2 months, it has been net import. As I'm importing energy, I'm not exporting anything. There is no enough energy to export. So that's also seen here in the course of the last 2 months. So how many negative values are there? Also, you can see where the net import, it's net import, it's not net export. So these are very important in calculating the payback period of the solar system. Uh, Thank you so much. Hope you understood this. And this can be done for your house as well. Calculations, let me know if you require it, and please message in the comment section.